Here's the 5950X build, the most powerful PC I've ever owned or built. The reason for the build was to reduce editing times so that I could spend more time improving the quality of videos uploaded to the channel. At the heart of the build is the Ryzen 9 5950X. The 16-core 32-thread processor also greatly reduces rendering times. The motherboard is an MSI X570 Unify. The reason I chose this motherboard was for the additional expansion slots, as well as the PCI Express 4 capabilities. For memory, I went with 4 8GB sticks of Patriot Viper 4000 CL19. My graphics card is the existing RTX 2070. I'm not concerned about replacing this right now. My main focus is video editing, and the 2070 has no issues recording and running the games I need. For storage, I have a 500GB SSD boot drive, as well as the original 1TB HDD. I also upgraded and added a 2TB Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe. The power supply is a Seasonic GX850. The CPU cooler is an Noctua NHD 15S in Chromax Black. Finally, the case is a Thermaltake P3 mid-tower, bench, upright, or wall mount. I look forward to creating some content on the new build. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.